horrible vinyl stuff for headlights and replacing it with these TLC eyebrows. So first of all, I'm going to have to try and get this off somehow. So this was only done as a let's see what it's going to look like before I went and spent 60 quid on some bits of plastic that seems to be coming off fairly easy. Just like I don't damage the headlights too much. Oh, it looks weird now. Shout out to Whizbeck for the Mark IV bonnet latch conversion. That's the vinyl off. Now for the fun part. So I've run into a bit of an issue. The headlight film has actually come unstuck from the light itself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this off, I'm going to take it back to the wrap shop, get it retinted, and then carry on from there. Right, so to install these, what you're going to need is loads of tiger seal. Mainly because I don't want to see them come flying off and driving down the motorway. So I'll get this stuck on and then I'll show you guys how it's done afterwards. That's this side on, and that with a lot of tape just to keep it down until the tiger seal sets. Now on the other side. Right, that's them both done. I didn't need to show you how to do the other side because you already saw the process on that side. I'll come back to you once the tiger seals are all dried and I've taken the tape off. So next morning, let's take this tape off and see how well they've stuck. Yep, that ain't coming off. And that is how you install TRC eyebrows. Right, let's get some cinematics.